I heard there was a response coming from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs yesterday that the total, a blanket general denial that they're meddling with our, that trying to meddle in the 2025 midterm elections, which is just 2 weeks from now.
Senator, may binanggit kayong amount, kontrata from Chinese Embassy. Yung iba, sabi nila, bakit 930,000? Ano po
That
ito?
was a payment. That represents a payment.
Yeah, pero hindi po ito monthly, hindi ito isang taon o ano.
Hindi isang taon yan. That's just a portion, a partial payment for services delivered. Marami pa yan kasi isang pagpapatunay lang yan na yung cheque ata 2023. Marami pa ho kasi nag-escalate na rin nung napirmahan yung Philippine Maritime Zones Law November 8, 2024. Hanggang ngayon, patuloy pa yon.